Okay, I have a student here in my office, and I am going to demonstrate to you how to give the QPS, okay? And again, QPS stands for Quick Phonics Screener. All right, so what I would like for you to do is I want you to read for me these nonsense words and just go straight across there, okay? So just straight across.
All right. Fod, mip, naz, zib, lek, tut, gat, kug, taf, hev.
Okay, and I would like for you to go back to this one right here. What is this one again?
Sib.
Okay, sib. Okay. I thought I heard you say zib, and so I wanted to ask you to make sure. That's why. And I'm going to go ahead and mark that as a 10. Okay, and now could you read these sentences for me?
Ben hid the gum. Tim sat in a tub. Mom had a big pot. Tom is on the bed. Don can nap. Ted can run.
Good. Okay, wonderful. And by the way, I'm going to be recording anything on here that I think might help us kind of solve the mystery of your reading a little bit, okay? And so if you see me jotting notes, I'm not writing on here that I think you're crazy or anything like that. I'm just documenting some things so that I can remember to work on those later, okay? So it's no big deal. I just wanted to tell you that right up front. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing here. I want you to read these nonsense words for me.
Lesh, Voth, Jing, Gak, Mitch, Wum, Chun, Thog, Shif, Thip.
Okay, wonderful. And if you could read the sentences.
The duck had a wet wing. The big sheep is long. Can Chet pack much in the bag? When did fish get in that tub?
Okay, great. And let's go back to this word right here. Could you read this word right here?
Ship.
Uh-huh. And I think I heard you say sheep. Do you remember doing that? Yeah. Okay, that's all right. Okay, and all right, so that was one error there, which is fine. Let's go on to this one. If you could read those nonsense words for me.
Gosp, rimp, mant, jest, sund, cloth, trin, snaff, prem, slun.
Wonderful. And then will you read those sentences?
Glenn will swim past the raft in the pond. The frog can spin and jump and flop in the sand.
Good. All right. Wonderful. Okay. And let's go on to these nonsense words for me. Go ahead.
Sipe, knoll, fune, maze, bait, rhyme, laid, xyle, gain, thoat.
Okay. And let's go back to this word right here. What is this one?
Maze.
Okay.
Moth.
Do you need to hold it closer? Would that help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I kind of look like an marine.
Okay.
Moz.
All right. This word is actually mose. Okay. Why is it mose and not moz?
Because the O and the E.
Right. Because the E is kind of like the bully E, right? And making the O. Okay. Good. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. And then could you read those sentences? You can hold that book if you want to. It might help you see it better.
Mike and Jane use a rope to ride the mule. Pete had five tapes at home.
Okay, wonderful. All righty, good. And then we're going to go on to this one. And as you notice, it's getting just a little bit harder and harder as we go, right? Okay, so I want you to read these for me.
Court, perk, barb, cyril, serp, tarn, fork, merc, turn, curm.
Great. And read the sentences.
The dark tar on his torn shirt can burn and hurt him. The bird hid under the fern in the park.
Good. Okay, and go on to, I guess that's the last on that page, right? So let's turn And let's go to these nonsense words now, and you can read those.
Lich, mudge, vux, quam, keb, gin, knaz, rop, sach, queef.
Okay, and then I kind of didn't pay attention here for a second. I got distracted. This one, what is this one?
Gin.
Okay. Okay, and then can you read those sentences for me?
The cider is in the wrong cup. She ran to the center of the bridge. Mom will stitch a knot on the quilt. The giant will wrap the big box.
Good. Okay, and now we're going to go to these, so if you read these straight across for me.
Foat, roast, co, toe, moy, ploy, cray, gray, moom, scoop, palt, scald, prawl, straw, poid, join, folt, scald, free, creek, brew, stew, vol, fault, chout, mount, rein, waste, pay, fight.
Okay. Alrighty, and now we're going to flip over. Yep. And if you can read these words for me, these are real words now.
Mascot, basket, moment, bacon, handle, puzzle, cartoon, border, escape, chowder.
Good. Next.
Discount, index, return, confide, station, madness, portable, fastest, careless, nonsense.
Okay, go back to this word.
Portable.
Okay, good. All right, and now let's go on here.
Amputate, liberty, dominate, elastic, entertain, practical, innocent, electric, volcano, segregate.
Okay, skip it.
Down to B.
Oh, sorry.
All right. Particular, contaminate,
It's okay.
community, superior,
It's okay.
evaporate, inventory, entertainment, solitary, emergency.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much, and I believe that's the end of it. See, that wasn't too bad, was it? Okay, and then I'm going to talk to my camera here for just a minute. And what I want you to understand is when I was having the student read these words, if you heard, there were a few that he made a mistake on. And so I went back to him and I asked him if he could repeat those. And so when he did repeat those for me, if he corrected them, then that tells me that it's more of a decoding problem. Okay, and it could also be a fluency issue too, but it sounds to me like it's probably going to be a decoding problem for him that is causing him to have problems with his fluency. Okay, and so that's what I'm going to go back and take a look at now, but you won't see that, but that's what I'm going to be working on in my own tutoring sessions. So that was the QPS, and if you have any questions on giving this assessment yourself, please let me know. Thank you.